good tracker has to be someone very soft, smooth, very swift. You have to be very knowledgeable, and you have to be someone who does not move with a lot of noise in the forest, because this is one of the important things with so far as a tracker is concerned. You can quickly identify, even from the grass bend, makes you know a direction, and you have to move very slowly like a cat when you are tracking an animal. It's dangerous because sometimes you come across an animal where you have no way to hide yourself, and you just have to use natural techniques. An animal is in front of you, there's no tree for you to hide behind. You have to know who is the animal and how to take the animal if in case it charges on you. So it's very dangerous, the work we are doing. Dodging an animal, tracking him, getting the animal, putting the collar and reversing the animal, and the animal goes into the bush with the collar. That's the most important time and dangerous time for us. When the animal is up and it goes into the bush with the collar without charging and someone is having an accident, we must be glad. We must be happy.